Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Enjoy Life. These are breakfast ovals, and if you look here, they were on sale, but if you look here, they are vegan. Okay, so they are dairy free, free from allergens. So as you can see, free from wheat, peanuts, milk, casein, soy, egg, all that type of stuff. Check that out. Here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And yeah, check that. There's the ingredients list right there. So pretty neat. Like I said, free from a lot of allergens and very useful. So we're gonna do a quick taste test, see actually what they taste like. These were on sale, so I picked up them because they were on sale, and that's what they look like. Okay, so that's what they look like open. So yeah, they're like a little cookie. Okay. This one tastes like banana bread. With chocolate. Really nice banana flavor. And it's soft but dry. Okay, so because they use a gluten-free type of flour, it's going to be dry, but it's not horribly dry. It is soft. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments below, subscribe to the channel. It is kind of sweet, so it does have that sugar in there. Just be aware of that.